Thai soldiers armed with shields, batons, and weapons continued their incursions into Cambodia by firing tear gas, rubber bullets, and using sound-disrupting devices that damaged hearing, targeting Cambodian civilians, injuring a monk, journalist, a man and woman citizens, and Cambodia soldier without carrying weapons. Armed invading soldiers, carrying map drawn by Siam itself, attempted to bring in razor wire to encircle and seize Cambodian territory. A journalist just got shot en masse. It explodes to touch on his hand.